Good morning to all. Today onwards we see chapter 3 polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression with non-integral, non-negative integral power. A polynomial, it is an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral power. Algebraic expression variables are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means it is nothing but they are the positive integers. Okay, so we see some examples. Minus 3y. Now here observe, it is a algebraic expression and here the variable is y. Y has the power, here nothing there means that is nothing but 1. 1 is a positive integer, so it is a algebraic expression. So this algebraic expression have formed by using variables and constants. Variable means the value which varies, that is called variable. So these variables are indicated with the letters x, y, z, a, b, c, so on. Now constant means they are constant only. That means here in this place we taking numerals. The numerals, that means numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on we will taking. Okay, so 1 by 3 x minus 4 by 5 z. Now here also observe, here the exponent of the variable x is 1 only. Z variable has also exponent 1, so it is also an algebraic expression. Now here if we observe 2z cube minus 3y power 4 plus 15c power 4 in this example. So 2z cube to variable z, it has power 3. Next minus 3y power 4. So for this statement in this expression the variable is y and the exponent is plus 4 plus 15c power 4. In that c is the variable and it has non-negative power 4, so it is also an algebraic expression. Now if we observe root b. Now root b means, root means we said it is nothing but power 1 by 2. So power 1 by 2 means it is not an integer. It is a positive number only but not integer, so it is not a polynomial. So x power minus 1. Now here observe, it is a negative integer, the variable, so it is also not polynomial. 1 by z square minus 7. So 1 by z square minus 7. Now if we observe, this polynomial is in the form of 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n means a power minus n. so it is z power minus 2. So it is also negative integer. So these are not algebraic expressions. State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. So already we said polynomial means the variables, algebraic expression variable has non-negative integral power. So here if we observe these questions, the first one is 2x cube. 2x cube to variable is x. X has the power 3, that is plus 3. So now it is a polynomial only. If we observe the second example, p power minus 2 plus 1. Now in that the variable is p. P has the exponent minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative integer. So it is not a polynomial. And the third one, that is given 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 means here it x has negative power. 1 by there means x power minus 1. So it is also not a polynomial. Now if we observe the fourth question, m square minus root 2m plus 2. Now here the variable is m. Both to m only. One is power 2, one is power 1. In this both the exponents are 1, 2 are positive integers only. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. The next one is degree of a polynomial. So the polynomial has some terms. In the terms, each term has an exponent. So the highest degree, highest exponent of each term of a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. The exponent of highest degree term in a polynomial is called degree of a polynomial. So here the polynomial have, there will be by different terms. Here one term there, here two terms there, here three terms there. So these model terms to each term to degree taking, in that the highest degree, degree means here it is nothing but exponent. So the highest exponent of the term is called degree of a polynomial. So by the degrees of the polynomial they will be divided into some types. So our to their linear polynomial, the second one is quadratic polynomial, and the third one is cubic polynomial. Now we see them. Before that linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial, we first see zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means the degree of a polynomial is 0. Degree of the polynomial is 0 means that is nothing but a constant term. Constant term. So constant term given means it is the 0 degree polynomial. So for example, if we taking minus 6, minus 6 means in this term there is not present any variable. So the exponent of the variable is nothing but 0. So that purpose it is the 0 polynomial. So 7 by 9. Now here also observe, in this there is no variable. In this term there is no variable. That purpose it is a 0 polynomial. So here from this we will say a constant term taken means constant term is nothing but 0 polynomial. The degree of constant term is 0. Okay, now we see linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 1. Linear means 1. So the degree of a polynomial is 1. Then it is called linear polynomial. For example, if we observe minus 2z, now here it has only one term. In that one term the variable is z. Now z has exponent 1. That purpose it is a linear polynomial. So another example, 4y plus 7. 4y plus 7. Now here in this example, in this polynomial it has two terms. In that two terms the variable is y. The variable is y and y has the exponent 1. So it is also a linear polynomial. Now the degree of the polynomial is 1 only. Why? Because exponent y variable to 1 only, and x plus y. Now in this polynomial it has two terms, x and y, and in this x and y terms x has degree 1, x has exponent 1, and the term variable y, it has also power 1. So both the terms has the degree is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. And here if we observe these three, so the maximum number of terms in linear polynomial is 1. So maximum terms of linear polynomial are 2. The maximum terms of linear polynomial are 2. Next we see quadrat. Before that one, if we observe the general form of linear polynomial, so general form of linear polynomial ax plus b. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a equal to 0 means the x term is not present, so we have to need degree 1 only. So it is not presented means only b there. B there means that is a constant term, so its degree is 0. That purpose the a term is not equal to 0. Now we see quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, quadra means 2, that purpose the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, now we see some examples of quadratic polynomial. Minus 9l square, minus 9l square. Now here a single term there. In that single term the variable is l. L has the exponent 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the degree is 2. And the next example, minus 11m square minus 2. Now here in this example there are two terms there. In the two terms the first term is minus 11m square, so the variable is m. M has the exponent 2. Next the second term is minus 2. It is a constant term, so its degree is 0. Now in this both the highest degree is 11m square, 2 there, that is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Seven n minus 2n square. Now here if we observe in this example, 7n minus 2n square, two terms there. One is 7n, second one is 2n square. 7n to term to variable is 7, and the degree of the term is the n power 1. Now 2n square to the variable n, and it has degree 2. Now the highest degree of this two terms to is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Next, 3x square minus 2y minus 3. Now here if we observe this example, it has 3 terms, 3x square one term, minus 2y one term, minus 3 one term. In these 3 terms, the first term 3x square to variable is x, it has the exponent 2, so this term degree is 2. Minus 2y to the variable is y, and it has degree 1. The next term minus 3 to as a term, this term there is no variable, so it has degree 0. So here first term degree 2, second term degree 1, third term degree 0. So the degree of this polynomial is 2, so it is also a cubic polynomial. So now if we observe these examples, the maximum terms of this quadratic polynomial are 3 only. So the maximum terms of quadratic polynomial are 3, and the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here also a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a is 0 means now it is bx plus c. That means it is a linear polynomial, not a quadratic polynomial. And here also a, b, c are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers. Next we see the degree with 3 polynomial, that is called cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 3. The degree of a polynomial is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. Now we see some examples in cubic polynomial. Minus 11z cube. Now minus 11z cube term to the variable is z and it has the exponent 3. So now minus 11z cube term to the highest exponent 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. Next, minus 5x cube minus 5x square minus 5x minus 5. Now here if we observe in this example, there are 4 terms there. The first term is minus 5x cube, the second term is minus 5x square, third term is minus 5x, fourth term is minus 5. First term to the minus 5x cube to the variable is x and it has the exponent 3. So this term degree is 3, and the second term 5x square to the variable is x and its degree 2. Next, minus 5x term to degree 1, minus 5 to degree 0. So highest degree of these all terms is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. And the next example, minus 13x plus 4y square plus 3z cube. Now here if we observe minus 13x plus 4y square plus 3z cube, now here 3 terms there. One is minus 13x, second one is 4y square, third one is 3z cube. Now in this 3 x, y, z are the variables. The first term minus 13x to the variable x and it has degree 1, that is nothing but exponent. The second term is 4y square to the exponent 2. So this term degree is 2. Third term 3z cube to the variable z and it is exponent 3. Now this has degree 3. Now these 3 terms to observe, the highest degree is 3. So now this it is a cubic polynomial. X minus y cube. Now here in this example if we observe, there are only 2 terms, one is x, another one is minus y cube. So x term to the exponent 1, so this term degree is 1. Minus y cube term to variable y and its degree 2. So now both to observe, the highest degree is y power there, that is 3. So degree of this term is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. And 9x square plus 6x cube. Now in this example if we observe, means it has only 2 terms, 9x square plus 6x square, and both the terms have with the same variable x, and the first term 9x square to the exponent is 2, so its term degree is 2. Second term 6x cube to the variable x and its degree is 3. So now the highest degree of these two terms is 6x cube 2 there, that is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. So in this model, if we observing the highest degrees, the highest degree is 3 only, all the terms too. So they all are cubic polynomials. So the here if we observing in this, the maximum terms of the cubic polynomial are get here 4. So maximum terms of cubic polynomial are 4. The maximum terms of cubic polynomial are 4 only. And if we write a general form of cubic polynomial, is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and here also a is not equal to 0. Why? Because if a equal to 0, then it is a quadratic polynomial. That purpose a value must be not equal to 0. And here the ABCD are also real numbers. They are also real numbers. Okay. Now here if we observing in our previous classes we studied, that is here these examples to observe. In this example here only one term presented. Only one term presented means it is called monomial. And here if we observe they have 4 terms, so more than 3 terms, that is called multinomial. Here if we observe they have only 3 terms, so a polynomial contained 3 terms means that is called trinomial. And here it contained only 2 terms, only 2 terms contained, that is called binomial. And in this example also it has only 2 terms, so it is also a binomial. Polynomial of degree n in standard form, that means the general form of a polynomial Cn. So p of x equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 up to so on, plus a n minus 1 x plus a n. So it is the nth degree. Nth degree polynomial. It is nth degree polynomial. In that nth degree, if we observe these a0, a1, a2, a3 up to so on an minus 1 an are called real coefficients. Real coefficients. Okay, and here the variable x, and the variable is x. So here if we writing the terms, in that terms the variable before what is the number there, that number is called coefficient, that is called coefficient. And here also the a naught is not equal to 0, Why? Because we said it is the nth degree polynomial. If a naught is equal to 0, now it is starting from x power n minus 1. So the degree becomes n minus 1. Okay. Here given a question. In p of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x power 5? Degree of p of x, constant term. So the given polynomial is 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Here asked coefficient of x power 5. So coefficient means now only we said here coefficient. Coefficient means the variable to before number is called coefficient. So here x power 5 to coefficient asked. So x power 5 term is here presented, that is minus 6x power 5. Minus 6x power 5 to x power 5 before 1 is minus 6. So the coefficient of x power 5 is minus 6. Next question, degree of p of x. Degree of p of x. Degree means we said degree means the highest power, the highest power, the highest exponent of each term. So here there are given 4 terms. So in that 4 terms the common variable x only given, but the first term 5x cube to the degree is 7, and the second term minus 6x power 5 to the degree is 5, and 7x to the degree is 1, and minus 6 is a constant term, so its degree is 0. So in that all degrees the highest degree is 7 only. So the degree of p of x, this polynomial, is nothing but 7. The degree of p of x is 7. Next one asked constant term. Constant term means we said the degree is 0. So here the degree is 0 presented yet minus 6. So the constant term is also minus 6. Okay. So this model we will write coefficient of given terms and degrees of the polynomial, and there will be asked constant terms that will be writing. Okay. So in the next class we will see substitution, that means value of a given polynomial and find the zeros of the polynomial, that will be seeing. Thank you.